Morning students. So today we are going to start our new topic, new term even I can say, that is astronomical telescope. And in this telescope we use the principle of to see the heavenly objects from the space. It is based on the principle that the objective forms, here we will use two lenses, and the objective forms the real and inverted image of distant object. Distant means our object is at infinity at its focal plane. जो रियल और इन्वर्टेड इमेज बनेगी वो कहाँ पे बनेगी? ऑन द फोकल प्लेन व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज फ्रॉम द infinity. This is the basic principle of the astronomical telescope. Earlier also I told you this is used to see the heavenly objects. And the next we are having the diagram. This is very important from the exam purpose also, and the diagram is very easy to make. Just see this thing clearly. What we are having, we have two lenses. This is objective lens and eye lens. About these lenses we have already discussed in the previous videos also. This is objective and eye lens. Suppose our object is at infinity and these rays are coming from that object. These rays are coming, whenever the rays are coming from the infinity they come parallel, and after passing through here the ray will deviate because it is going from rarer to denser. तो यहाँ पे रे डेविएट हुई दिखाई नहीं गई है, बट इट विल डेविएट समवट लाइक दिस, and after passing through this lens it will reach over here. The second ray is that here from the center of curvature, optical center. We know when the ray is going from optical center there is no deviation at all. This is third ray, again it will deviate over here, and the point where these rays will meet, we will join this point with the principal axis and image will form over here. As we can see, this is our image, that is b dash upon a dash. Why this is called real image? Because it is forming after the actual meeting of the refracted rays, and this is inverted also. Now for the eye lens, for eye lens this image will behave as the objective lens, sorry, object. So the this ray is going parallel, and the ray which goes parallel to principal axis, after refraction it will pass through the focus, and this ray is going directly from the optical center, so no deviation at all. As these rays are diverging, so we can make its image in the backward direction. What we will do, we will reproduce them over here. Just see this thing. So this will form at infinity. Now the mathematical part. This astronomical telescope is divided into two parts. The first is when the image is formed at infinity, and the second is when the final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. That is also similar, you can do by yourself also. So the first part, when the final image is formed at infinity, the first term is magnifying power. This term already we have done. What is magnifying power? It can be defined as a magnifying of a power of telescope in normal adjustment can be defined as the ratio of angle subtended by image. ये देखिए, ये एंगल बन गया by an image, and here is the angle subtended by an object. You can see this ray which is passing from the optical center, and we have drawn this angle, object angle, with the principal axis, because our object, we are assuming that our object is at infinity. So firstly I have drawn angle over here because these are corresponding angles, so I can take it as equal, and by this image I formed angle over here, that is beta. So this is angle subtended by an image, this is angle subtended by an object, and their ratio is known as the magnifying power. As these are very small ratios, so I can take in the form of tan also, tangent, tan beta upon tan alpha. Now I have to say where is beta located and where is alpha. You can see beta is over here, so to calculate the tan beta I can take this triangle a dash b dash c2, and for calculating the alpha I can take a dash b dash c1. So just see this thing, from right angle triangle c a dash b dash c1 a dash b dash tan alpha. As we know, tan is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is a dash b dash. Base is c1 a dash. Here I will take as a and here I will take as b. Okay. Now afterwards, so base is c1 a dash and perpendicular is a dash b dash. Perpendicular upon base. This thing is clear. Again from the triangle C2 a dash b dash, beta I have to represent. Again perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is a dash b dash, base is a dash c2. Okay, so I have taken this. Now in place of here I can write c1, here c2. Now substitute the values. When as I have told you, magnifying power is equal to tan beta upon tan alpha. When you will substitute this value, tan alpha, we have a dash b dash c dash, and this, suppose I am substituting a dash b dash upon c2 a dash multiply by c1 a dash upon a dash b dash. These terms will get cancelled out and we will have c1 a dash upon c2 a dash. You can say this thing c1 a dash. C1 a dash we can take as c1 a dash we can take as f naught, and c dash a dash c2 c dash और c2 you can take same as it is c2 a dash. अब इसकी इमेज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे बन रही है, वर्चुअल बन रही है, सो दिस विल बी माइनस. इसकी इमेज क्या बन रही है, यहाँ पे लेंस रखा, ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे था, इमेज इज फॉर्मिंग ओवर हियर, सो वी विल टेक एफ नॉट और एफ ओ पॉजिटिव. बट हियर आर इमेज इज फॉर्मिंग ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड side of the lens, so fe I'll take as negative. So you can see this thing, c a dash minus f naught c dash a dash fe. We will put this value. So I'll get magnifying power is equal to minus f naught upon fe. Negative value indicates final image is real and inverted. So this is our astronomical telescope refracting. Second part is almost similar to this. You can do by yourself.